This makes moving laundry around so much easier. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are reviewing this adorable laundry turtle. And yes, it's called a laundry turtle. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So I personally hate moving clothes from the washer to the dryer. It always seems like I drop so many things on the ground. This actually helps with that problem. Instead of trying to grab handfuls and handfuls of laundry as it's wet and heavy, you can load up this laundry turtle and easily transfer from the washer to the dryer. Not only that, but you can easily carry small loads of laundry down to your washer or out of your dryer without needing a basket. I do want to note that this is designed and works best for front-loading washing machines as you kind of push it inside and pop it and push the laundry into it, but you could also use it to just dump down into a top-load washer if you needed to. Honestly, it's a tool that you didn't even know you needed, but once you use it, it's so convenient. I keep mine on top of my washer to make it easy to grab whenever I need to use it. If you're looking for an easier way to move your laundry around, you might really enjoy a laundry turtle. And come on, the name is absolutely adorable.